Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel with Icut in here, Indonesian girl. Okay guys, before that I want to ask you, Johnny, Basim, Alhamdulillah. Okay, I just learned speak Kurdish ya. So this my subscriber or there is comment give me this song title Kurdish Flash Mob Hell Parky ya, Kurdish dance ya. I like Kurdish dance because I like dance ya. So let's start watching how this dance from Kurdish. Thank you for you give me this video. Okay, don't forget you give me again your song or your favorite video, okay, from Kurdistan. Let's start watching this video.
مالك المرضوية يلا خسود يمشى وشاوداقره والله ما بصل ناقره امشى وشاوداقره والله ما بصل ناقره كسرهن يا ماشي يا بيا وما بيدك اي يا بيا وما بيدك والله بجي والله بجي خوشی ناوی دایک شیری پیدایی بخی من خوشی ناوی دیم شاو شاو داگره بولم دستم ناگره ام شاو شاو داگره بولم دستم ناگره لسر دنیا ماشی یار بیانو من پیدایی ای یار بیانو من پیدگری
حكي منو تشق بقت ربي شافي ويكو ربي حكي منو تشق بقت ربي شافي ويكو ربي شوشينه وهينا شوشينه بمرحمة سر برينه شوشينه وهينا شوشينه بمرحمة سر برينه دست خوب ده دستم بورد قلبم نبيده انتظاري هر يوم مشغول الشبكة
Okay, thank you so much for your watching this Kurdish dance ya. I look this video. I'm not shy for introduce Kurdish dance. Yeah, so cool. maybe next time he introduced in Indonesia. Yeah, I think Indonesian people will like with Kurdish dance, and Indonesian people so excited if there is dance in street. Yeah, I hope next time Kurdistan introduce Kurdish dance in Indonesia. So thank you so much for your watching. Don't forget to give me what your favorite song. But I hope you patient wait video your song, because so many people give me song. Okay, but you can give me song what your favorite song. Okay, don't forget you comment, and don't forget the most important, you subscribe, you like, and you share to your friend Indonesian girl reacts to Kurdish music. Yeah, thank you so much guys, see you next video. Don't forget you watch my other video. Thank you. Supas, assalamualaikum.